Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Salesforce login using Authenticator apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open your Salesforce login page in your web browser. Enter your username and password in the respective fields. Click on the Login button to proceed. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will be prompted for a verification code. Now, open your Authenticator app on your mobile device. If you haven't set up an Authenticator app yet, download one like Google Authenticator or Authy from your App Store. Once the app is installed, open it and add your Salesforce account. To do this, you may need to scan a QR code displayed on your Salesforce login screen. In some cases, Salesforce will provide a setup key instead of a QR code. If that's the case, enter the key into your Authenticator app manually to add the account. After adding your account, the app will display a 6-digit code. Return to your Salesforce login page and enter this verification code in the designated field. Keep in mind that the code changes every 30 seconds, so be quick when entering it. Click the Verify button once you've input the code. If the code is correct, you will gain access to your Salesforce dashboard. In case of any issues with the code, check the time settings on your mobile device. Ensure that your device's time is set to the correct time zone and is synchronized. If problems persist, consider re-adding your Salesforce account in the Authenticator app. This process helps ensure that your code generation is accurate. If you ever need to reset your two-factor authentication, be sure to contact your Salesforce administrator for assistance. Now you can securely access your Salesforce account using your Authenticator app. This method provides an extra layer of security for your sensitive information. Regularly update your Authenticator app and monitor your Salesforce settings to maintain security. This approach keeps your data protected while making your login experience efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.